Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a tutorial regarding how to write a glossy text in Adobe Photoshop. So this is the glossy text with the word sunset, and I will be teaching you how to do this in simple 2 steps. So let's begin the tutorial. First we'll open the images. This is the sunset. Okay, now I write the text sunset, sunset. So the color doesn't matter, so I can take any range of colors. So I will just adjust the size of the text by pressing the button Ctrl T, and after adjusting I just press the button enter. Now I need to duplicate this background in order to perform the clip mask. So I can duplicate this either by right clicking and press the duplicate layer, or simply by pressing the button Ctrl J. Now this background copy, I have to place this on top of this sunset text so that I can perform the clip mask. In my previous tutorial I have given how to perform a clipping mask, so we'll perform the task again. I will bring this mouse cursor exactly in between this sunset layer and the background layer. So this is the line, and I will press the button Alt. This symbol appears, that means I can perform the clip mask. Now as soon as I click it, now the background layer has a symbol of this curved arrow. That means the clip mask has been performed. Now we need to apply some effects in this text layer. So we'll be applying some bevel and emboss. We'll go for the inner bevel. Then the technique, I will put it smooth because I want the edges to be very smooth. Then that I can put whatever value I want. I will put 83. Size I need to put to 3. Then soften I will just increase to 2. Now let's talk about the angle. Different angles will give you different output. So the value I am putting is 66, and the altitude of the settings, I am talking about in terms of settings, I will just put the value maybe around 37. So this is the output I am getting till now. Gloss contour will play a major role. So there are different types of gloss contour, and different contour will give you a different output. So out here I will be selecting the ring double. This contour should be selected. Then after that, highlight mode I can change it. If I perform different highlight mode, I will be getting different output. For example, different mode will give you different output. So I will select the normal. Opacity I will be keeping full, that is 100. I will be changing the shadow mode. If I change the shadow mode, I will get different effects. So I am selecting vivid light. Then opacity I am taking again 100. So this is the final output. Now if you are not satisfied, you can at least play around with some of the angles. Again this is looking nice, and if I increase the altitude like 37, I am getting a better output. So this is the glossy text, and it's a transparent. This kind of text effects can be created easily in Adobe Photoshop. It's just in a simple steps, perform just under 2 layers, and the bevel and emboss effect was set, so I can use it anywhere. So this is the glossy text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please like it, subscribe it and share it.